You have algebra and what else you have?
Complex analysis.
Okay, now analysis and algebra. Two topics you told, right?
Yes.
What is the difference between algebra and analysis?
In complex analysis,
No.
actually we are
Complex is little complex, so that's why I don't want a complex. The simple word algebra and analysis. These are two words, two different branches in mathematics. What is the difference? Now, just now we were discussing about Taiwan and China, right? Similarly, algebra and analysis. Two words comes. Immediately you should have this question. What is the difference between algebra and analysis? Complex analysis is little. There are two parts, imaginary part and the real part, and any analysis done on that is called. But real analysis is also there. Numerical analysis is there.
yes.
Correct. Analysis is a common word which is prefixed by many things.
Yes.
Algebra is another, which you just now said algebra. What is the basic difference between algebra and analysis? Give me an example in algebra what we learned. Algebraic equations.
Yes.
Is there any analysis equations?
No.
Yeah. In analysis, what do you learn? Equation means what? Quadratic equation. Right? Polynomial equation. And in analysis, what you will learn?
Theorem.
No, in what? Theorems about what?
So Pythagoras theorem.
No. That is again geometry, entirely different. But geometry and algebra are related. Whatever you write in becomes algebra. Whatever you show as a figure becomes geometry. Anna, I will teach you something which your teachers even don't teach. Every equation, if a linear equation x y is equal to mx plus c, that's a line. So y is equal to mx plus c, when you write, that becomes algebra.
Yes.
When you draw a line, it becomes geometry. In that m becomes 1 by root 2, then you know 45 degrees the angle. Therefore, it's an x-axis, y-axis, and the line goes like this, exactly 45 degree. Suppose y is equal to c. That means y-axis, c, it is parallel. It's a parallel line. X is equal to c is a perpendicular line in the x-axis, parallel to y-axis. So all these equations, when I am saying, I am seeing it. You are saying an equation, I will see that. Because algebra will give equation, geometry will make me to see it. There is a subject called algebraic geometry that will connect together. Not every MSc has got very specialized MSc. When I was doing MSc in Cochin University first batch, it was introduced during my batch. And I scored maximum mark for that because I visualize. Otherwise also I visualize. Okay. Analysis always will talk about sequence, series. Understood? So it is infinite. Infinite number of operations is analysis. Finite number of operations are algebra. You understood? N dimension, M dimension, R dimension, all these are algebra. But the n becomes infinity, finished. So sine, cosine series, sine series word will come. What is series? Then x by 2, x square by 2, x cube by 3, etc. It goes. Immediately that chapter goes from algebra to analysis. In which you have real analysis, you have complex analysis also. Okay. And similarly, you have set of items, set theory. It becomes algebra because it's limited. But then that set can become a space. Then it becomes analysis because set is unlimited. Okay. And you have y is equal to mx plus c. dy by dx will become m. That is differential equation. You are identifying the slope. Actually, differential equation is to identify the slope. So it's in algebra, applying slope is what is differential equation. But the problem is integration is reverse of it. Mx, when you write, integration of that will become m by 2 x square plus c will come. Then what are you doing? A linear equation you are changing into two dimension, x and y will come. Then you have to identify the area. Otherwise linear, line doesn't have area, line has only length. But integrate it means you are rotating it within an axis to make an area. So there also I can see geometry. Differentiation, integration, I can see geometry. That is why I said you have to visualize. Mathematics is a beautiful subject when you visualize it. Got it? So integration, if I take a y is equal to mx plus c integration, then what do I get? X square by 2 I will get. What is x square by 2? You have to draw, then only you know. X axis, y is equal to mx plus c. Say y is equal to x. What is integration? X square by 2. Correct? Integral of y with respect to x is integral of x. Integral of x is x square by 2. What is x square by 2? The triangle area. Understood? X square is the square area. X is the length of the one side. X square will become the area of the square. X square by 2 is the area of the triangle. So x square by 2 will tell you the area of, I told you just now, when it goes 360 degree you get an integral. You cut that with a limit, it becomes, it's a beautiful subject, integration, differentiation, algebra, analysis. I'm seeing it, I'm visualizing it.